The actual scenario of Tirumala now. I'm here to show the main temple. It took only just 15-20 minutes to reach there. Ticket counter. We take the tickets here. No big crowd. So the hill over there is Tirumala. So we have seen Tirupati a number of times, but not this empty without people. Let me take you to a walk around the temple. We have already seen these corridors completely filled with people every time, but this time due to COVID, I don't know, this situation might not come again. Really a different feeling altogether. We'll go to the front part of the temple, which is like always packed with people every time, but today it's going to be completely empty. These boats are everywhere now, everywhere across Tirumala, and the crowd what we see is very scarce. Almost every one of us, when we come down to Tirupati when we are in our childhood, we used to end up here shopping toys. And this is the worst case where every shop is closed and there are some 3-4 outlets open in the ground floor, and all the above floors are closed. The actual scenario of Tirumala now. This circle is always flooded with people. It's really sad to see Tirumala like this. Hope COVID gets over soon and we get its gold glory again, and with people flooding in, and it's always kind of a festival coming down to Tirupati here. But this time we miss it seriously. This place is kind of a free place for people to relax, or who don't have the money to book accommodation. They come down, sleep here, take rest at night, day, everything, and there is not even a single soul here. So we are almost close to the main temple entrance. Let me show you the front view. It's empty, empty, empty. I have been here even 2-3 times when it is off season, but even in the off season I did not feel such a drop in people. And COVID is kind of a refresher for everything, for whatever is believed the best whatever below at the top, so everything is like down now. That's the main temple. I'm here to show the main temple and have a view. I'll share the DSLR shots of the same. So this is the main corridor of the temple. That is the main entrance. You go in and come out, and the main deity is inside that temple in the golden chamber. What do you call that? I don't know what exactly it is called. I'll see the photo of that, so you can have a look. The main car street in the terms of like chariot goes around the temple. We have to come through that, walk down here, and then enter the temple from that end. So it took only just 15-20 minutes to reach there. This was a first time experience because we used to spend more than 2 hours, 3 hours at time, 6 to 8 hours to do the same darshan. Who are coming at this time are VIPs. Like they can have the deity darshan in just 15-20 minutes. It's a very good thing. So for all the pictures and for all clear videos, this was the companion. And for all video logging, GoPro as usual. I hope you could make out this is a GoPro footage. And footage from this is like very good. And they are in the middle of the clip. ఎక్కడికి పోతుండం మంగ
బువ్వ తినేకి ప్రసాదం
తినేకి. So I'm going to end the video here and see you soon in another video. Manga?
Bye.
Bye. See ya. That is all the small trip towards Tirumala. I believe you all liked the video, and it was a great experience for us because we have never been to Tirumala with so much less crowd, and it was an awesome experience for us. The video might be interesting for you too. Share to your friends, do subscribe, and stay with the channel, and you're welcome.